The China issue has been going on for the last couple of weeks. But the three most urgent issues today, three most urgent. One, the misuse of investigative agencies against every opposition party. Number two,